Hi everyone, it's Marissa from the blog bumblebeeapothecary.com. Welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make the best ever French fries using beef tallow. I have several videos on my channel where I talk about beef tallow, about what is tallow, and the amazing benefits of tallow, and I'm going to link all of those below so that you can check them out. But one of the things that you need to know about tallow is that it makes amazing French fries. They are so good. An interesting trivia that I've actually mentioned before in one of my beef tallow videos is that McDonald's, back in the day, used to make their French fries with beef tallow. And it wasn't until animal rights activists pushed them to change to using vegetable oils, which are actually not vegetable oil, but toxic, inflammatory industrial seed oils flavored with MSG, which is such a shame. But today I'm here to show you how to make the best French fries using beef tallow. You get that wonderful flavor naturally and all of the wonderful health benefits, none of the health damaging benefits of those industrial inflammatory seed oils, but all of the amazing health benefits of tallow, and they're so delicious. So let's jump in and start making some. I'm going to begin by starting to heat my tallow in my pot. I'm going to have the heat turned all the way to high to begin with, and meanwhile I'm going to start peeling and cutting up my potatoes. I'm going to be using a mandolin slicer that I have set to make a French fry shape or size, so I'm going to be slicing them that way, but if you don't have one of these you can also just use a knife. Once my tallow is heated to 350 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, I'm going to very carefully lower about a handful or a cup of fries into the hot tallow at a time, and I'm going to let them cook until they are nice and golden brown. It's a good idea to give them a stir a couple times while they're in there cooking, and they don't take terribly long. It's really just going to depend on the size of the pieces of potatoes you have, how long exactly they take, but just keep an eye on them, and once they look really nice and golden brown and are not too done, then it's time to take them out. So you can see here the color that they are when I'm taking them out, and I'm just putting them onto this flour sack towel to sit. And the next thing that I didn't get a video of, but that you want to do right after taking them out of the tallow, is to put salt on. You can do sea salt if that's all you have. We really like this pink Himalayan salt. I thought that it gave them a really nice flavor, and Redmond real salt would also be a great choice. So once all of those fries are out, then I just repeat that process with the rest of the uncooked pieces of potato until all of them are cooked into fries. I always put salt on each new batch that comes out. And then you'll want to eat these pretty quickly when they come out. They're best if you eat them right away. Here's what they look like when they're out. They're really nice and golden and crisp and crunchy, and that nice potato inside, and they have the most wonderful flavor ever. These guys were definitely a fan and helped me polish off the whole batch. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed seeing that. I hope that you make your own tallow French fries, and if you do, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. You can also take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram information below so that you can find that. I would love to see what you make and hear what you think of it. I also wanted to mention that I have this free ebook that you can grab. It's DIY Home Remedy Recipes. It has several different salve recipes that use grass-fed tallow. There's an herbal healing salve, a black drawing salve, and then there's also an elderberry syrup recipe. So down in the description box will be a link where you can grab that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with anybody that you think needs some tallow French fries in their life. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I make new videos every week on traditional health wisdom and living a sustainable DIY lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.